Hey guys, if you updated OBS recently and your NDI input option is missing, here's what you want to do. I have a link in the description. Download the zip file from the link. Once downloaded, unzip it. Once you unzip it, there are 2 folders contained in the zip folder. Copy those 2 folders as is. Go into your C drive, program folder, search for OBS, then paste those 2 unzipped folder into that directory. Overwrite whatever exists in there before. Once you do that, close your OBS if you had it open before, then reopen it. And that's it.